Welcome back, guys. It's Monday and it's time for our live trading session. Welcome to one more live trading video. And as you know, on Mondays, I do live trading here for you all guys to see how I trade live so that you also get real life experience and keep the life experience in your mind when you're also trading. You behave the same way as we professional traders we behave. So that's why I decided to put live trading video here every Monday for you all guys to see. So as you can see, today it's a little early in my local time. It's a little early today because I want to do the live scalping. Then later I'll go out to take off one of my two other businesses. But I'm here with you today. I'm here with you at this moment. So if you're here for the first time, hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Or if you are my old subscriber, then just hit the like button and just push my video through. Welcome back once more. So let's begin with opening my application. So just give me some seconds and let me just open my applications and let's start the live trading video. So beginning with the candlestick meter, let's begin with the candlestick meter. You know, every time before I trade, I begin my trading with the candlestick meter. The purpose of the candlestick meter is to help you to determine which market is trending and which market is ranging. And I always say the candlestick meter does not tell us when to buy or when to sell, but it tells us the mode the market is in. That's the main purpose of the candlestick meter. So beginning with the candlestick meter, as you can see on the chart, on the candlestick meter chart, we have beginning from the H4, the USD is strong and the NZD is weak, which means that if you want to find a perfectly traded market, you merge the USD with the NZD. We can also see that the switch is strong and the AUD is weak, so you can also merge the switch with the AUD. You can also merge the USD with the AUD since the USD is so strong. But right now, let me merge the USD with the NZD first, and then later we merge the USD with the AUD. Okay, so to open the USD with the NZD charts, I'll just go to File, New Chart, and I'll go to USD NZD. So it looks black. Let me minimize it. We can also check, you know that we can also check the USD with the AUD, right? So let me open that chart too so that we check all the charts, all the two charts at the same time. So File, New Chart, and AUD USD. Okay, so now let me minimize it. So as you can see, we have both of them on our chart and they all look black. So I'll set my templates for this one and on M1. Good. So this is set. The other one, NZD USD, that one to my template, and good. So that one too looks white. So now we can view all the two markets together. Okay. So on the NZD USD charts, what do I see? Yes, guys, what do you also see? From the beginning, what do you see? You zoom it out, what do you see? We can see that the market is trending, right? We can see some uptrend here, but it looks like the trend line is broken. It looks like the trend line is broken. So let me zoom it out. You can see the trend line is broken. So what else do we see? That's the question we have to ask ourselves. What else do we see? Let me zoom it out. Okay, we can also see there is a horizontal support zone here. Can you see? Is that where the market is heading to? Okay, let me zoom it out. Let me go to the M15 to see what's happening. So on the M15, good. On the M15, as you can see, the market is on the downtrend. Can you see? The market is trending down, which means that the overall direction of the M1 is definitely going to be down. So no matter what is happening on the M1, I'm definitely going to short the market. I'm going to sell. Can you see this support zone here on the M15, which the market came to hit this support zone on the M15, and now it's trying to head down. So back to the M1, let me delete this. You can see this support zone is the one we did, the one we drew minutes ago. So let me reduce this one a little. Okay, so now we can see the market is ranging here, but on the M15 the market is trending down. So we have to find a way to sell down. Okay, we have to find a way to sell the market. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to wait for, let me see. Okay, so I'm going to wait for the market to push back to this zone. Okay, then I'll sell down. So I'll wait for the market to just have a pushback down, up like this, and then I'll join the trend down. So you can see here, it looks like it's ranging, but on the M15, the market is trending down, so I have to go down. Can you see? They are all moving downwards. So we have to follow the trend. Yes. So I'll wait for the market to pull down and then push up, and then I'll also join the market and I'll trend the market down. Okay, so you can see that the trend line is already broken. Can you see? This was a point where the trend line got broken. You can see there's even a downtrend here. Can you see, guys? It's a downtrend here, which means let me delete this one. I don't need this one again. Since I found this trend already, let me delete this one. Okay, this one too. Okay, so now let me minimize this. Can you see? Let me minimize this one. So you can see that was the trend. This is very simple. So the trend is now down. Can you see? The trend is now down. Okay, so what I'm going to do is that I'll reduce this one so that we see very clear. And yeah, let me position it well. So look at where the market has gotten to. I think I have to sell immediately. Let me sell immediately right now, because where the market is gotten to is good. So sell, and that sell. And now let me see. Yes, now I'm in the trade. So let me set my stop loss. After that, I'll explain something to you guys. Wait, after that, I'll explain something to you. So let me set my stop loss. Okay, 2 balls. So as you can see, we are in 2 trades already. Can you see? We're already in 2 trades. So yes, let me delete this one too. Now let me set my stop loss of $250. This pair I don't like risking as much, so I just wait $250. One more up to 500, 500, 500. One is to risk reward. Good. Which means if I risk 250, I'm making 500. I've entered 2 trades, so I'm going to manually also do this. So I'll edit this and put the stop loss for this other entry. So let me modify it and copy. Let me copy the stop loss and give it to this other entry. Okay, so I'll paste it here and modify it. Let me do the same for the take profit targets. Modify and copy, and then I will paste it for this one too. Okay, so set go. Okay, so now all our stop loss is set. Our stop loss and the take profit targets are all set. So it's time to let me adjust this small so that I can see the 2 lines. Let me adjust this a little. Okay, let me adjust the take profit target to a little so that I can see all the 2 lines. You see the market is coming down already. So these are stop loss 2 set. Our take profit target also set. All set. The market is already coming down after it hit the trend line. So now let me explain the trade to you. Can you see there is a push up here? Can you see, guys? Then there is a pull down. Then there's one more power move upwards. So what we are doing is that now we are joining the trend downwards. That's what we are doing right now. Very simple, very clean and simple. So all what we can do is to wait now. Let me reduce this thing. All what we can do is to wait now and then wait for our profit target to hit. Can you see we are joining the trend down? If it hits here, then we make 500, 500, which is like $1,000. And if we lose 250, which is $500. So let's do it. Can you see my entry here? And let me zoom it out. So we are taking it all the way down here. We are almost half the way through right now. You see, this is M1, so it's very fast. Very fast, guys. Okay, so for the meantime, let me go and check the other chart and see what is happening. Let me check the other chart to see what is happening on the other charts. Okay, so on the AUD/USD2, as you can see, the market is trending upwards. Can you see? It's trending upwards beautifully. Very clean chart and simple. Anytime you use the currency meter, it's going to give you clean chart. Can you see? So power move, and there was a retrace back, and another power move. Can you see? With these lines, makes my trading very easier. So another retrace back. So we are joining the power move up again, and then when the market pulls back down here, now we will enter our sell. We will enter our buy at this zone, and then we will just join the market. So this zone, I'm waiting here. But since we've already entered other trade, we are not going to enter here. But I'm just explaining to you, assuming the other trade goes maybe negative or is out of stop loss, our stop loss get hit, then we are going to sell the other one. But right now that we are already in a trade, we don't need to come and buy here. So we just keep waiting. Okay, let's just keep waiting. Can you see? Very clean chart to trade. This is a very high probability trade. So if this trade goes against us, then I'll come back and look for trade setup on this chart, on the other charts. But for the meantime, since we are in this one, we don't need to take any other trade, right? We have to wait. Can you see? We are already in some profit, about $400 profit. Profit is reading. Are you checking, guys? Are you checking? Yes, we are already in some profit. So let's just keep waiting. Let's keep waiting. So can you see? Very clean charts. Trading is very simple if you know what you're doing, but if you don't know what you're doing, guys, don't tempt it. Okay, so let me pause it and come back later. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can see, the market is still playing around. It's almost hitting at a profit target. We are almost at $600, about $700 profit, but the market is still playing around. So let's just keep waiting. All what we can do is to keep waiting. We can't do anything about it. We just have to keep waiting. So yes, let's just keep waiting, guys. So you see, with the top-down analysis we made our trading very simple. So we were able to spot it easily that the market is trending downwards, since the M15 was also trending downwards. So this is M1, and M1 will definitely follow the M15, right? The younger guy will follow the bigger guy. This is very simple concept, guys. So can you see? We are almost at hitting our take profit target. We are almost $800 profit. Can you see our $800 profit? We are heading to 1,000. So we are almost through. We are almost through. This is going to be a very easy, successful trading. Can you see? We are almost out, guys. Check. Are you checking? We are almost at $900. We are almost out. Good. We are out now, guys. Very simple. We are out of the trade. Profit made for today. Can you see? Very clean charts and very simple to trade. So we took the trade all the way from here. Can you see the entry? And all the way to this side. Now, successful trading, very easy, very simple. Within 30 minutes, then I'm done. Can you see? So this one too is hitting the trend line. Assuming we've not bought the other one, we would have entered here. But since we have already had a winning trade, we don't need to come and enter here. We don't need to join the trend up. Okay, we don't need to do that because we already have a winning trade. So I'm not going to scalp again. I'm just going to go out and take off my other businesses that I have to take off. So you see, very clean chart to trade, but we can't trade this one. See, the market is moving upward. Can you see? You see how the market is spiking upwards? So we would have entered somewhere here. Guys, are you watching? We have entered somewhere. So since this one is successful, we don't need to take any trade again. So I think that will be all for this live trading session.